Well, hello there everybody, welcome to the last video of the series how to smooth or will it smooth PLA. It's over, I found a solution for my problem and I hope you probably like it and you will be able to use it on your own. So I make this a very short video because, well, nobody wants to see some old guy or bad English speaking guy, let us say it that way, rambling about it for hours and hours. So what's the solution? Well, the solution is actually quite logical, to be honest. We all know that you can smooth ABS nearly in an instant with acetone, and you can also use it to make an embed adhesive. So I thought, what happens when I use ABS slurry on a benchy or on a print or made of PLA, and it actually turned out to be the best solution I'm able to come up with. Yeah, so, well, how does it work? You take your ABS, it's from Filament World, not sponsored. I bought it, made my slurry with acetone, and then you simply take it and put it on your model. And I'll try make it in this. Try it now. Sorry about the camera. The old software died, and I have to use OBS, and I don't know why. How it works. Anyway, you all know your typical benchy. It has below the marks from the creator, and what we are gonna do now, fill it up, and yeah, so you can see how it's done. Take the slurry. I should have got the pen, a brush or something, but I don't have any, and you simply drip it on the area. And since ABS hardens the moment the acetone evaporates, it's actually extremely fast. So done. Now it takes only about, well, probably 15 seconds, 20 seconds. The thicker the layer is, the longer it takes to the acetone to evaporate, and you'll be left with a dry and smooth surface. Yeah, so let's see. Try it. So I hope the camera focuses. I just took some droplets from the slurry down to the surface. I spoiled it a little, and basically it's filled, it's dry, it's smooth, and if you make an error, you can simply wipe it off again by using acetone. So that's it, that's the last video of the series. Have a nice day.